What happens to your body when you eat olive oil every day? Olive oil is one of the most popular cooking oils in the world, celebrated for its rich flavor and remarkable health benefits. This golden liquid is made by harvesting olives, crushing them into a paste, and pressing the paste to extract the oil. Its velvety texture and robust taste can elevate countless dishes, making it a staple in kitchens globally. Beyond its culinary appeal, olive oil is packed with antioxidants and plant compounds that may promote overall health in a variety of ways. Many cultures incorporate olive oil into their daily diets, and research suggests that these populations often enjoy significant health advantages from this simple addition. If you're thinking about making olive oil a part of your everyday routine, and who could resist, given how delicious it is, you might be surprised by the range of benefits it offers. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to maximize the benefits of this incredible ingredient. Health benefits of olive oil. Discover the incredible health benefits you can enjoy by incorporating olive oil into a balanced and nutritious diet. Supports brain health and may lower dementia risk. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, may help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Research indicates that olive oil consumption is linked to cognitive benefits and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and related forms of dementia. Furthermore, olive oil may also lower the risk of fatal dementia. A study analyzing data from over 90,000 Americans revealed that individuals who consumed more than half a tablespoon of olive oil daily had a 28% lower risk of dying from dementia compared to those who rarely or never included olive oil in their diet. Additionally, substituting just 1 teaspoon of margarine or mayonnaise with olive oil each day was associated with an 14% reduction in dementia-related mortality risk. Promotes heart health and reduces cardiovascular risk. One of the standout health benefits of olive oil is its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats are associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, as they help lower inflammation and improve blood cholesterol levels, both of which support heart health. The PREDIMED, Prevención con Dieta Mediterránea, study, a landmark clinical trial conducted in Spain, highlighted the cardiovascular benefits of the Mediterranean diet. This research focused on individuals at high cardiovascular risk who consumed a Mediterranean diet enriched with either extra virgin olive oil or nuts. The findings revealed a significant reduction in major cardiovascular events, such as heart attacks and strokes, among participants who included extra virgin olive oil in their diets. Notably, similar benefits were observed with the inclusion of nuts, reinforcing the value of these heart-healthy foods. While the PREDIMED study dates back to 2018, it remains a pivotal reference in understanding the role of diet in heart health. Additional studies have also linked the Mediterranean diet, which features olive oil as a key component, to improved heart health. For example, research has shown that it may slow the progression of atherosclerosis, the buildup of fatty deposits in arterial walls that can block proper blood flow. Supports bone health and may enhance strength. Olive oil may help support bone health due to its anti-inflammatory properties and rich content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Some studies suggest that the oleic acid in olive oil, along with its phenolic compounds, may play a role in promoting bone density and strength. These components may help reduce inflammation, which is often linked to bone loss and conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, research has shown that the Mediterranean diet, which includes regular consumption of olive oil, may have a positive impact on bone health by promoting stronger bones and reducing the risk of fractures. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship, incorporating olive oil into a balanced diet could contribute to long-term bone health. May lower your risk of cancer. Olive oil's phytochemicals may help prevent the development of cancerous tumors. A review of studies suggests that consuming olive oil in high amounts could reduce the risk of cancer by up to 31%. The most significant protective effects have been observed for breast cancer, gastrointestinal cancer, upper aerodigestive cancers, and urinary tract cancers. Furthermore, research has linked these anti-cancer properties to oleicein, a key component in olive oil, along with other bioactive compounds. These promising findings in cancer research highlight the potential of food as a powerful tool in preventing disease. Helps reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic low-grade inflammation can increase the risk of various diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, allergies, and certain types of cancer. Research has shown that several components of olive oil, such as oleocanthal, oleic, oleic acid, and oleuropein, may help reduce inflammation by lowering levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin. These compounds work together to support overall health by combating chronic inflammation. Promotes joint health and may help prevent osteoarthritis. Olive oil may help protect joint lubrication and lower the risk of osteoarthritis due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, along with antioxidants like tocopherols and phenolic compounds, play a key role in this protective effect. Experts suggest these properties may also contribute to a reduction in CRP, C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. While much of the research on olive oil's impact on joint health has been conducted in mice and rats, experts stress the importance of more high-quality human studies to fully confirm these potential benefits. Nutritional profile of olive oil. 1 tablespoon, 13.5 grams, of olive oil contains 119 calories, with no carbohydrates, dietary fiber, or sugars. It provides 13.5 grams of total fat, including 1.86 grams of saturated fat, 10 grams of monounsaturated fat, which makes up 73.9% of the total fat, and 1 gram of polyunsaturated fat, 9.7% of total fat. Olive oil contains no cholesterol or sodium, and it offers 2 mg of vitamin E, 13% of the daily value, and 8 mcg of vitamin K, 7% of the daily value. While it provides no potassium, olive oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which are known for supporting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. It's also a good source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and proper blood clotting, and vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress. Additionally, olive oil contains a variety of plant compounds, including oleic acid, palmitic acid, linoleic acid, and stearic acid, along with phenolic compounds such as phytosterols, tocopherols, lignans, and flavonoids. The polyphenol content, which contributes to olive oil's health benefits, can vary based on factors like olive ripeness. Less ripe olives tend to have higher polyphenol levels, extraction methods, and storage conditions. Ways to incorporate olive oil into your daily diet. Olive oil is versatile and can be consumed in various ways to boost your health. Here are some popular methods to incorporate olive oil into your diet. As a salad dressing, drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads, vegetables, or grain bowls for a healthy, flavorful dressing. You can mix it with balsamic vinegar or lemon juice for added taste. In cooking, use olive oil as a cooking base for sauté vegetables, meats, or seafood. It's great for stir-fries, roasting, and grilling, though it's best to avoid cooking at very high temperatures, above 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, to preserve its nutrients. In smoothies, add a small amount of olive oil to your smoothie for an extra dose of healthy fats. It blends well with fruits and greens without overpowering the flavor. Dipping bread, use olive oil as a dip for crusty bread, often accompanied by balsamic vinegar or herbs like rosemary and garlic. In baking, substitute butter or other oils with olive oil in baking recipes for healthier options, especially in cakes, muffins, or bread. As a drizzle olive oil over cooked dishes, such as pasta, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats, for added richness and flavor. In soups, add a spoonful of olive oil to soups and stews to enhance the texture and taste. In homemade sauces and pesto, olive oil is a key ingredient in many sauces, like pesto, marinades, and dips, contributing both flavor and healthy fats. As a daily supplement, some people choose to consume a tablespoon of olive oil daily, either on its own or mixed into a drink or dish, to reap its health benefits, particularly for heart health and inflammation. The bottom line. Olive oil is a highly nutritious and versatile addition to your diet, offering a wealth of health benefits, from supporting heart health to reducing inflammation. Rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, it can help protect against various diseases when consumed regularly. Whether you use it in cooking, as a salad dressing, or even as a daily supplement, olive oil can be easily incorporated into your routine for optimal health benefits. Just remember to use it in moderation to make the most of its potential without overloading on calories. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth, and happiness.